today I'm gonna find out if my E46 M3 need the rod bearing replacement or not. This is my 05 and I have 108k mile on already, and I'm not sure what the previous owner worked on replace the rod bearing or not, but I just want to find out since the mileage is getting higher now. So today I will show you how I find out if my E46 M3 need the rod bearing replacement or not. I'm not sure the previous owner did replace it or not. I don't want to take a chance, but I just want to find out today. Alright guys, oil change and taking oil sample analysis for Blackstone is done. The reason I'm doing this, take my whole sample, wait until in the end, like in the middle of the drain, try to get the cleanest one. For Blackstone right now, I'm just want to do the oil analysis to see if my car need a rod bearing replacement or not. Hopefully that it's not, you know, knock on wood for me. Even though I have 108,000 miles on already. So I own one of these E46 M3, which is my baby. I love it so much. You know, I have different cars as well. I have a truck, take a truck to work all the time, but this is like my weekend car, cruising. You know, sometimes I take it to work as well during, like, you know, Friday or something like that. But anyway, yeah, I did collect it for Blackstone. I bought the Blackstone kit here, and they put a label right here with tracking number and everything, so you can send it out, free shipping, and they will email you back regarding, you know, how is your oil sample analysis affecting any of your engine, the health of the engine, and is there any metal or anything like that binding due to the rod bearing issue. I'm just crossing my fingers that it doesn't happen. I don't have, you know, money to replace a rod bearing if there's an issue with rod bearing on my car. But you know, what can you do? I mean, if you need to replace, you got to replace it, since you know, I love this car so much and want to take good care of it. The replacement rod bearing for these cars run probably around $1,500 to $2,000, something like that, which is a lot of money. I mean, again, knock on wood, hopefully I don't have to replace this rod bearing. So I'm gonna wait for about a week for them to send me back the sample. I will update you as well in this video. So yeah. Okay, now you have to fill out this information for Blackstone on the front and the rear. Just like that. And on the additional comment, I'm asking any sign of rod bearing wear. That's all I'm asking, and I include my email in the bottom as well, so they can email me back. Now once you're done filling that out, you're gonna, this is my oil sample. You want to wrap into these absorber filter or something like that come with the kit. Just wrap in case it spills. That's how Blackstone want you to do. Just wrap it like that, and then place into this plastic bag. Just try to get the air out. Squeeze all the air out, and then put your note along with it into this container and mail it out. That's all you gotta do. This comes with a pre-post mailing, so you don't have to put any stamp, and put it into the container like that, just like that, and then just close the lid. and I can just drop it out with the mailbox. Just wait for your result, probably like a week or two. We'll find out.